here at the Whitehaven Beach, one of the best beach in the world. Are you the captain?
I am the captain.
Oh my God!
Welcome aboard. Get ready for a rough ride.
Whitehaven Beach is on Whitsunday Island, Australia. The island is accessible by boat, seaplane, and helicopter from Airlie Beach as well as Hamilton Island. Whitehaven Beach is just a 30-minute trip on a high-speed catamaran, and Hamilton Island offers several Whitehaven Beach day trips and beach tours. You can book online on the Hamilton Island website, or you can book directly at their ticketing office in Marina. Just make sure that you book days in advance so you don't miss out on the cruise. Going there, you'll cruise to the magnificent Whitehaven Beach on board on an air-conditioned catamaran and spend up to 2 hours swimming or exploring the surroundings. We chose the half-day tour from 1 to 5 p.m.
Are you the captain?
I am the captain.
Oh my God!
El Capitano.
Capitano Liam
Yep.
of Whitsunday.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Get ready for a rough ride.
Oh my God!
Wet and wild.
Sunshine, you are the ocean to me. You are the sunshine, you are the ocean.
Arriving at Whitehaven Beach.
You are the sunshine, you are the ocean.
Whitehaven Beach is a pristine, award-winning beach on Whitsunday Island, the largest of the 74 islands in Whitsundays.
Finally, we're at Whitehaven Beach, one of the best beach in the world.
Whitehaven Beach stretches over 7 kilometers and boasts brilliant white silica sand that is among the purest in the world. I consider it as one of the best beaches in the world.
It has white powdery sand.
A catamaran will stay at the Whitehaven Beach while waiting for all the tourists to explore this beautiful island. The Whitehaven Beach is definitely one of the whitest beaches in the world that I've ever seen.
The water is so clear.
You're likely to run into a goanna or lace monitor lizard. They are the most often sighted on South Whitehaven Beach near the day picnic area, or on North Whitehaven on the bushwalk to Hill Inlet.
Thank you. Would you like one? Thank you. Everyone, just be careful of the seagulls.
We only did a half-day cruise from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., but you can also do a full-day cruise from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Your full-day outing includes cruise, lunch, afternoon tea, a guided walk to Hill Inlet and Lookout, an optional walk to Whitehaven Beach Lookout, dedicated hosts for duration of day, and beach games on shore for use throughout the day.